Experiencing slow sales on eBay in 2021? These 5 quick fixes will help. No kidding. Hang on tight. Let's go. There are many reasons why you can experience some slowdown in sales. Today, we will talk about the 5 main ones. 1 is poor customer service. 2, failing to solve cases on time. And 3, delays in complying with your shipping policies. 4, working with unapproved suppliers. And 5, listing Vero products. So poor customer service. Customer service has always been the most important thing in this business. You always want to answer your customers as fast as you can, which means no longer than a 12-hour wait time per message. You have to give them the solution that will make them happy. Look, sometimes you can also lose money on a sale, but if your customer is satisfied, that is the most important thing because your store will then get stronger. Failing in solving cases on time. The cases where a customer wants to return a product, cancel the order, or complain about the product that did not arrive on time. This is called eBay case. In this situation, eBay measures your response and places you in front of the customer where each party has to prove that he is right. It's when customers present a tracking number, a delivery confirmation, etc. In any case, you will always want to handle the cases as quickly as possible and make sure to close it in front of eBay as soon as possible. Why? Because cases that are not handled properly will cause an immediate reaction on your eBay store. Before we move on to the next fix, please consider learning about Zeek Analytics. It is an amazing tool that has helped over 60,000 sellers in the last 4 years. There are so many features: product research, competitor research, title builder, and more. It offers everything you need to build a selling machine on eBay. By the way, it's currently 50% off on all monthly fees. There is a 7-day trial for only $1 with all the features. Take advantage of it today. The link is in the description. Every product you choose for your store from any supplier receives a shipping policy according to the supplier's policy. And here it is very important to make sure you are very accurate in the real shipping versus the theoretical policy you have defined in your store. Make sure the real shipping time is accurate. There is no point in lying. If it takes longer to ship a product, update your policy. Be transparent. Unapproved suppliers basically means suppliers that don't deliver in time. So for example, if your shipping will take longer than how you defined it in the store, eBay will recognize it right away and will decrease your exposure of your products. Usually this happens in eBay's monthly evaluation of your store, which happens on the 20th of every month. Anyway, stay away from bad suppliers. Another reason why you can experience some slowdown in sales is that if you list Vero products. If you work with Zeek, then you know that Vero stands for Verified Rights Owner. And it's very important to note that doing market research, you do not list products that are prohibited for sale for any reason, especially Vero products. Normally, if you do, you will receive a warning from eBay saying that your product violates Vero policy and you need to pay attention next time. But if you repeat this time after time, your store will most likely get blocked from uploading these products or suspended for several days, and eBay will remove all Vero products from your store. These actions mark your store for more frequent inspections by eBay and impairs the routine of work, which will lead to a serious slowdown in all activities in your store. Now, if you have a great store up and running and you're not quite sure what products to upload, be sure to hit the notification bell on our channel because we give you all the product ideas you need on a monthly basis. And if you found this video helpful and if you like the video, please like and subscribe to our channel because we have many more like these.